Hi guys, welcome to Byte Official, and in today's video I am going to show you how you can use an external microphone, that is a USB mic or a Bluetooth headset. That is the mic that comes with these headphones. You can use any headphones for that matter. It can be wired or wireless, okay, with your camera, okay, in your smartphone. So generally what happens that if you do not have a smartphone by OnePlus, that is, this is a smartphone by Realme, as you can see, the GT2 Pro. So the problem with these smartphones is that these do not have the ability to change the microphone in the built-in camera app. Okay, so basically what we're going to do is, let me first turn on the recording of my smartphone. So yes, this is turned on. So now you will be able to see my smartphone screen as well, over here or here, anywhere. Okay, so basically first of all I need something that is the Gcam, okay, or the Google camera. Okay, so for that you can just search for it. Let's say I go to my Chrome. You can only search simply that Gcam for, let's say, my smartphone, so Realme GT2 Pro. Okay, over here you can search for your smartphone, okay, and write Gcam for. Okay, so you can see I got the Google camera APK, so you will get it, okay, in these links. And if in case you are unable to find the Gcam for your model, do let me know in the comments. I'll search it and give it to you. Okay, so that was the first step. So once you got that, you have to just install it on your smartphone as an app. So here you can see I have my camera app over here. This is the Google camera because my default camera does not support this. Okay, so here let's say I go to the video mode. Okay, now what will happen is that, see, here I have settings, okay, and since nothing is connected over here with my phone, so here I do not have any setting for the microphone. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this USB mic to my smartphone. So if I open this port and if I connect it over here, okay, let's say I connected this, and now if I'm running this camera, you can see wired mic connected, tap arrow to change. Okay, so here you can see I have microphone, so I can use it either the phone mic or the wired mic. Okay, so this can be changed now from here. Okay, so this was one thing for the wired microphone. Now let's say I remove this. Okay, so you can see wired mic disconnected. And now if I turn on my Bluetooth over here, and let me turn on my shocks, so this is switched on, and here you can see, let me remove this. So OpenRun Pro is connected now. So now here you can see in the microphone I have phone mic and this Bluetooth. So if I select Bluetooth, you can see it has switched to the Bluetooth microphone. Okay, so it's pretty much it. So once you get the Google camera, you can simply use whichever microphone you need for your recordings. Okay, so I hope you got this video and you found this useful. So if you found this video useful, do like this video and share it with your friends. And for more such informative videos, do subscribe to my channel. Okay, and before going, if you want to see the review of this Shocks OpenRun Pro or this Boya BYPM 500, then do subscribe to my channel, and I'll leave the links of these reviews in the description of this video. Okay, so from there you can check out the reviews of these as well. And if you want the review of my phone, then that is also there on my channel. I'll leave that in the description as well. So that's all for now. See you soon and bye bye.